In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of all devices on your Epic Games account quickly and safely. This is a really useful step if you've logged in on a shared computer, want to protect your account, or simply want to make sure every device is fully signed out at once. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, even if you've never done it before. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, sign into your Epic Games account. You can do this from your browser by going to the Epic Games website and logging into the account you want to secure. Once you're signed in, look for your account area and open Account Settings. This is where Epic keeps all of your account, security, and login options in one place. After that, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and select the Password and Security tab. This section is where you can manage your login protection, password settings, and active sign-in options. It's the correct place to go whenever you want to make sure your account is protected across all devices. Now scroll down until you reach the security section. You may need to move a little farther down the page, but keep an eye out for the sign out controls. In this area, you should see the option labeled Sign Out under Sign Out Everywhere. This is the setting that lets you log your Epic Games account out of all connected devices at the same time. Click Sign Out to start the process. Epic Games will usually ask you to confirm your action before continuing, so make sure you read the prompt carefully. When the confirmation appears, approve it to finish signing out everywhere. Once that's done, your account will be logged out across all devices, which is a great way to secure your profile and reset active sessions. If you were worried that someone else might still have access to your account, this is one of the fastest ways to regain control. It's also a smart step to take after using a public computer, sharing your login temporarily, or changing your password, and that's it. You've now signed out of all devices on your Epic Games account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more account security videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.